Good morning, Bedford Hills Elementary. I am Alyssa Kelly, your SEA president.
And I'm Owen Terry, your SA secretary, and this is the news for Friday, November 8th, 2019.
Today is National Tongue Twister Day. Say this 5 times fast. Sally sold seashells by the seashore. I'm sure you know other tongue twisters that you can share with your classmates. Have fun saying them.
Today's word of the day is slither. To slither is to slip and slide along the ground like a snake.
To fit through the tunnel, you will need to slither on your belly. Shout out today is for Miss Smith.
She sends a shout out to Dominic in Miss Tassik's class for excellent leadership in his language arts group. He is working hard in tackling difficult concepts with a positive attitude.
Another shout out today comes from Miss Riker. She wants to send a shout out to Desire Brown in Miss Rowland's class for all her hard working in reading class. Desire has been very focused and works really hard. I am so proud of her.
Today in history, on this day in 1889, Montana was admitted as the 41st state.
On this day in 1973, Walt Disney's movie Robin Hood was released.
And also on this day in 1984 was the 14th Space Shuttle mission. The shuttle Discovery 2 was launched.
This is Alyssa Kelly
and Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be right to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day!